These are the best Black Friday tool deals you're going to find. You'll want to see every one of these deals because some of these I've never seen before. Some of these tools have never been on sale as far as I know. So if you jump out of this video to pick something up, be sure to come back and finish because these are some awesome deals. Let's go. First up, clamps. We can't have too many clamps. Jorgensen has some of the best F-clamps in my opinion. I use these in the shop all the time. I think they are the best. They are robust, they are well made, and these are on sale for 15% off right now. Regularly about $39.99, now only $33.99. You got to check these out. Next up, saw blades. You can either get a single saw blade like this 40 tooth from CMT. This is my favorite saw blade. I have this on the table saw all the time. This is a 40 tooth. It's basically a combination blade. Works extremely well. These are currently 39% off. This is a great deal. Or you can get the 3-pack at 39% off as well. You get a 24 tooth, a 40 tooth, and a 60 tooth blade. This is the better deal in my opinion. But if you're just getting the one, get the 40 tooth, good combination blade. Hey, I don't ever want you to miss an awesome tool deal. I do this all year round. All you have to do is text the word deals to 731-207-7151. I'll text out the best of the best tool deals. I won't spam you, but you'll be notified when those awesome tool deals go on sale. But I also post deals every day to my website. Go to 731woodworks.com, click on the tool deals button, and you'll see all of the latest tool deals. You'll want to scroll down. If you don't see what you're looking for, be sure and hit that older button. It's kind of hard to see down there. Click that. It's going to load the next page. There's pages after pages of tool deals for you to shop from. I have never in my life seen Festool on sale anywhere other than the Recon site, but these are new tools and they're at a good sale too. It's not like a small discount. The new Festool Capex cordless miter saw is on for $120 off. It's regular $9.99. When you add it to the cart, you're going to get $120 off instantly. This is the bare tool, but never fear, they do have deals on batteries as well coming up. They also have the TS60 track saw on sale for $150 off of the regular price of $8.99. I've never seen this track saw on sale anywhere, and it's a fantastic track saw. They also have $140 off instantly of their guide rail accessory kit. So if you need this for your guide rails to make square cuts or angle cuts, this might be the perfect time to pick this up. Also, the new track saw with the scoring feature, it's the regular $11.75, $176 off. This thing's brand new. It's only been out a couple of months and it's already discounted. I don't know what Festool's thinking here. They've never discounted tools as far as I know, but this is awesome. If you need a Festool dust extractor, the CT25 mobile dust extractor is on for $76 off instantly when you add it to the cart. And here's the battery pack from Festool. You get 2 batteries with the charger, double charger, for $30 off instantly, plus the sustainer, so good deal. Next up, CNCs on a Black Friday deal. If you've been on the fence and you're wanting a CNC machine, now might be the time to do it. This is Carbide 3D Shapeoko line of CNCs. Almost all of their machines have this deal promotion going on. Link in the description. You get $100 off the machine, plus you're getting the free Carbide compact router, which is an $80 value, the Get a Grip work holding kit, which is a $48 value. Plus, if you need to add bits, like a starter kit bit set, they're 15% off. The bits are, not the machine. This is a great deal if you've been in the kind of on the fence about getting a CNC. Now might be the time. I'm running the Shapeoko 5 Pro CNC in my shop, the 2-foot by 4-foot. I think it's the perfect size for my shop. They have the 4-foot by 4-foot and the 2-foot by 4-foot. These are great machines for the garage shop. Next up is the DeWALT DW735X, very popular planer. It's the one I have run since 2017. It is a fantastic planer for the shop. This thing is down to $599. Normally these average price about $670-ish on average, but this is a very good deal if you're in the market for a good planer that'll last you a long time. You can't beat this deal. 25% off TrueWork. If you haven't used TrueWork, these are by far the best work clothes I've ever worn. I've got a pair on right now. I wear them almost every day. The only time I don't wear them is when I go to church and when I go out on a date with my wife. Otherwise, I've got TrueWork on. These are amazing pants. They got pockets for everything. A pocket for your phone, a pocket for your pencil, a cargo pocket for other stuff. These are just fantastic. They're very comfortable, very lightweight. Again, 25% off. All you have to do is use the code ALLWORK, W-E-R-K. It's going to get you 25% off. Check that link in the description. Next on the list, the Makita track saw. If you don't like Festool, you want something a little more budget friendly, this one is on for $494 shipped. It's already discounted, and then you use the code MAC25 to get that discount. You're going to get $25 more off. This is a corded track saw, so you don't need any batteries. This is one of the fan favorites. A lot of people love this track saw. We here at 731 are also joining the Black Friday fun. Check out our website, 731woodworks.com/store. We have all of our plans, including already discounted plan bundles on sale, plus our regular plans and our board butter, merch, trays, everything on the store, 25% off. Just use the code BF2023 at checkout to get that deal. Next up, sandpaper. We all need it. We all use it. This is on a great deal. 38% off, up to 46% off, depending on what model you're getting. I like the 710W Extract, the net sanding disc. These are fantastic to have in the shop. This is a good sample pack. So if you've never used or tried this, you're going to get several different grits with this. And this, you can get it in 5 or 6 inch for 38% off, only $8 for a pack. Get a couple of packs of this. One of the reasons I choose the 710W, I love that mesh. I love how durable it is. It lasts a long time, and dust collection is absolutely awesome on this stuff. What makes this 3M Cubitron unique is the process in which they make this. I did a full video on this. It really goes into deep dive detail on the technology they're using in sandpaper. You have to try this if you haven't given 3M a chance. If you don't have a set of chisels or you're wanting to add some to the shop, you can save up to 25% off Narex Richter chisels, some of the best ever made in my opinion, and a lot of other people's opinion too. These are some of the best bang for the buck you can get in chisels. I like the box set. It's what I have. I like the nice storage box. Kind of gives it a little premium feel. And this is 20% off. You're not going to find these deals very often. But you can also get them in the tool roll. If you just want to roll these up, put them in a drawer or something. These are really good chisels for a very good price. You can also buy them individually, or you can get them without the roll or the box and save a little bit more money if you just want to get the 5-piece set. Next up, the Gripper. This is my favorite push block. I use this all the time in the shop. It stays on my table saw. This thing is great for ripping thin strips or boards that are thicker. I like that it has a little foot that drops down. It's really stable. This is one of my favorite safety tools I've ever bought in the shop. These are 28% off right now. They're regular $64 or $65. Right now, down to $46. This is a heck of a good deal for this push block. And while we're on the topic of push blocks, the Smart Push Block from MicroJig, I use this at the jointer and the router table. It has those little feet that drop down, helps hang in the back of that board and push it through. Just a great push block for $10 off. I have 2 of these. I recommend 2 of these, especially for the jointer. These are just great push blocks to have. Next up, my favorite pocket hole jig system is the Makita system. I love this, and they're on a good deal. You can get this bundle, which includes the mounting board, as well as the jig and screws, bits, everything you're going to need to get started. It was $287. Now it's only $185. It's a really good deal. Link in the description to all these deals, remember. If you only need the jig, you don't want the mounting board, but it does come with a few screws and the bits, the driver bit and drill bit. You can get it for only $89 now. It was $129. And if you already have the Makita Pro, they have their mounting board on sale. It was out of stock forever. Now they have them back in stock and on sale for $20 off. They were $89, now $69. If you're in the market for a router, I've got a couple of different deals here for you. Number one, this is the Bosch 1617, so a very popular router. I love this router, having the router table. Done a full review on this router, comparing it to the DeWALT for only $179. It's regular about $250. It drops down to $199 often, but down to $179 is more rare. So it's a really good deal if you're in the market for a plunge and fixed base router, and you won't be disappointed in this one. If you need a trim router, Bosch also has the 1 horsepower Colt on sale for only $79. It's usually about $129, but this is a really good deal for a trim router. It's a very good router as well. And of course, you got to have them bits if you get that router. This is on sale for 31% off for the 10-piece set, which has the 1/2 and the 1/4 inch collet. So if you get the bigger, the 1617 router, I would recommend the 10-piece set. It does have the 1/2 and the 1/4 inch shank bits. If you do get the trim router, you're going to want 1/4 inch collet bits, so you can check out the 1/4 inch shank bit set. It was $75 down to $62. The 10-piece set was $132. Now it's only $92. And you're getting some of the most commonly used bits: the round over, the chamfer, the flush trim, the straight, and even a dovetail bit. Next up, one of my favorite little squares I have in the shop is the DFM small carpenter square. This is the lowest price I've ever seen it on Amazon. It's regular price $44. Now it's only $35, and it's made in America, and you can choose multiple colors. I like this color, but you choose whatever color fits you. Also, the blade height gauge, perfect for setting up the table saw blade heights all the way from 1/8 inch all the way to 2 inches. This is also the lowest price I've ever seen this one. If you're into template cutting on the router table or using your handheld router, or you're into epoxy and you want some really great silicone molds, Crafted Elements is the place to go. They're having a 20% off sale through Monday, November 27th at midnight on a lot of their molds and as well as their templates. Some of these will sell out. You got to use code BFCM at checkout to get these deals, but I have several of these molds as well as their templates. They work fantastic. I like them. They're high quality templates as well as the molds. You won't be disappointed with these. And it's a good deal, 20% off. Next up, 34% off the Works Pegasus Workbench. I've got 2 of these in the shop. I use them all the time. They're good temporary workbenches for the shop. I even loaded these up with 600 pounds in weight plates to see if they would hold. Not recommended. They're rated for 300 pounds. It was like a rock. It never moved. These things are fantastic for the shop. Very durable, very well made. Retail price on these are $149 all the way down to $99 right now. If you're in the market for a sander, Bosch has this one on sale for 25% off, regularly about $79. This is down to $59. Good solid deal on this sander if you're in the market. Bosch also has $100 off their very popular Bosch Glide miter saw. It's regularly $649, $100 off, $549, saving about 15% off. This is a very good deal on a very good top quality or high-end miter saw if you're in the market. Home Depot has a great sale. I took advantage of this last year. I think it was during Black Friday too. You get 2 5.0 XC batteries from Milwaukee, the M18, plus you get to choose a free tool. I chose the router for this, all for $199. The router itself is typically $199. This is a solid deal if you're in the market for the M18 batteries, charger, and a free tool. A lot of people ask me where I've got my drill press fence from. It's a MagSwitch drill press fence. It's an awesome fence. They are pricey though. MagSwitches are fantastic for building jigs as well as other things in the shop. Right now, 15% off. You can save a good bit of money right now on MagSwitch if you want to build, say, the Jessam stock guide jig that I built attaches to the table saw with the MagJigs. The MagJig drill press fence, say that 3 times fast, is also 15% off. You can get the small, which is what I have for my little wind drill press, or they have a larger version if you have a bigger drill press. Make sure you keep an eye on my website, 731woodworks.com. I'm updating this throughout the day today as well as all the way through Cyber Monday so you don't miss any deals. Also, be sure to sign up for those text alerts. Be sure and click the links in the description and pin comment for current pricing. These prices are valid as of the time of this video. If you like these tool deals, you got to check out the Amazon shopping secrets. Some of that stuff you don't know, and it'll help you save money that you never thought. Check it out right there. Click in the box, gives you a big old virtual fist bump.